Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2018 Honda Goldwing Tour. This bike has only 177 miles on the odometer. Perfect showroom condition, beautiful metallic red. Come on by, save thousands over the price of new. This bike's priced to sell for just $23,999. It also has the fog lamps. It has a really cool engine guard with a footrest that's very integrated, so it looks really nice. Rider backrest. Again, showroom condition, 177 miles. Come on by, make this dual clutch automatic transmission Goldwing yours for just $23,999. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Got the adjustable windscreen, automatic transmission. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.